Hey, what's going on, you guys? We're going to be cooking a totally cool dish that you can totally make and eat with your friends together. It'll be a good time. Today, we're going to be making some pasta salad. Let's go. Start with our rotini tricolor noodles. Got a little bit of salt. A little olive oil. Let that come to a boil before we put our noodles in. We're going to start with cutting up our vegetables for the pasta salad. I'm going to quarter up this cucumber and then slice it very thin. Next, we're going to have some cherry tomatoes. Now we're going to dice up some red and green bell peppers. Then we're going to dice up some red onion. All right, take our pasta off. Going to cool this off with a little water. All right, now we're going to incorporate it all and bring it together. Get our noodles in the bowl. Hit that with just a little bit of olive oil. Keep it from sticking together. We're going to add some sliced olives. Some mozzarella pearls. Hit it with our peppers and onions. Some tomato. Cucumber. There we go. And the secret ingredient, good old Olive Garden Italian dressing. You can also add salami or other meats to this. I didn't add any meat to this today because it's going to be a side for our smoked beer brats. But before I chill this, which you want to chill it for at least 30 minutes, you know I got to get a bite. Get out of here.